reaction displacement of nitrogen gas by halide, category 1 or reaction 1. Displacement of N2 by halide. This is the heading. So we are having benzene diazonium chloride. This is benzene diazonium chloride, N2Cl. We are having cuprous chloride, CuCl oblique HCl, CuBr oblique HBr, CuCN oblique KCN. There are 3 reactions given in your book. Now how the reaction is done, how displacement of dinitrogen is done. Let's see. So what will happen, this Cl halogen will replaced or displaced N2 and Cl. So this Cl will not directly attach over here. This Cl of HCl will make displacement of N2Cl. So we are having chlorobenzene. This is chlorobenzene. Then this N2 is in gaseous form, so N2 will release. And this Cl will react with this H and we are having HCl. We have prepared chlorobenzene. Kindly understand my words. Direct chlorine is not attached over here. This chlorine is make displacement of dinitrogen or diazonium group, and then N2 will release and this Cl will react with this H and we are having HCl. This method can be understood easily by displacement of N2 gas by Br. So Br will attach instead of N2. So we are having bromobenzene. Clear? Then we are having N2 gas. And this Cl will react with this H and we are having HCl. Again, this Cn will make displacement of N2Cl. So we are having cyanobenzene or benzene carbonitrile. Then we are having N2 and this Cl will react with K and we are having KCl. So this chlorine is attaching directly to form chlorobenzene, then all product will be chlorobenzene. But all products are not chlorobenzene. It means this chlorine is displacement, making displacement of N2Cl. This bromine is making displacement of N2Cl, and this cyanide is making displacement of N2Cl. And remaining Cl will attach with K, remaining Cl will attach with H, remaining Cl will attach with H. This is very most important reaction. Now we are having Gattermann reaction. Gattermann reaction is also displacement of dinitrogen, but copper powder is used. It is not used as a catalyst, but it used as a reactant. So let's see again what is the reaction. Copper powder. This is clear now. This is Gattermann reaction. I am going to explain. Benzene diazonium chloride as it is. This is benzene diazonium chloride. Will react with Cu oblique HCl, Cu oblique HBr. So what will happen? Then this Cl will make displacement of N2. So we are having product chlorobenzene. Clear? Then N2 gas will release. So N2 gas will release. And this Cl will react with Cu, not with H. In earlier reaction, Cl is reacting with H, and here in Gattermann reaction, Cl is reacting with Cu. So we are having CuCl. And H is remain as it is. So we have to put over here 1/2 H2, which is not given in your textbook. So here copper is reacting with Cl. Same way, bromine will make displacement of N2. So we are having product bromobenzene. This is the bromobenzene. Then N2 will release. Then N2 will release. This Cl will react with Cu. So it is CuCl. And this hydrogen remain as it is. We can make equation balance 1/2 H2. So copper powder is reacting with chlorine from benzene diazonium chloride, while in earlier reaction from benzene diazonium chloride, chlorine is reacting with hydrogen. Here chlorine is reacting with copper. This is the difference that you have to understand by seeing repeating videos. Now displacement of dinitrogen by iodine or iodide, and we are having another reaction by fluoride. Two reactions we will discuss, then after we will finish our lecture. So now another reaction, displacement of dinitrogen by iodine. Displacements of N2 by iodide. So we are having again directly iodine is not reacting, but potassium iodide is taken, then we are having N2Cl, benzene diazonium salt, BDS will react with potassium iodide. Heat is given, then iodine will displace the N2. So we are having iodobenzene. This is iodobenzene. Then N2 gas will release. So N2 and this Cl will react with potassium. It means it is KCl. Very simple reaction. Iodine directly not make displacement of N2Cl, but potassium iodide is taken as a reactant, then iodine can displacement of dinitrogen gas. Simple. Iodine will make displacement of N2, then iodobenzene, N2 gas will release, and this Cl will react with potassium, then we are having potassium chloride. Very simple. Now displacement of dinitrogen gas by hydrofluoric acid or hydrofluoroborate or fluoroboric acid, you can say. So again, fluoroboric acid is what and how it make displacement of nitrogen gas. Displacement by fluoride. Fluoroboric acid is used. So we are having benzene diazonium chloride. It is N2Cl, benzene diazonium chloride, BDC, benzene diazonium chloride, will react with fluoroboric acid, HBF4. This is fluoroboric acid. So this H will react with Cl and BF4 will attach with in place of chlorine. This is not explained in your textbook. So we are having minus HCl and we are having benzene diazonium fluoroborate. then N2BF4. BF4 is minus and N2 is plus, because Cl minus is displaced and BF4 is attaching in place of Cl. So BF4 is minus, H is reduced from the BF4. So it is BF4 will become minus and take place of minus chlorine. This is benzene diazonium fluoroborate. Benzene diazonium fluoroborate. Now simple heat is given, then what will happen? Then we are having one fluorine is attached in place of N2, so we are having fluorobenzene. This is the fluorobenzene. Now N2 gas will released, so plus N2, and now we are having BF3, because BF4 is over here, one F is attached to benzene, so remaining 3 F, so it is BF3. It is neutral compound. So minus HCl is not explained in your textbook. So when you are reading the textbook, when you are comparing the textbook, you will get confused that where chlorine is gone, but chlorine is attaching with this hydrogen, so this will become minus, will take place of chlorine minus. So we are having benzene diazonium fluoroborate. Then one fluorine is attached to benzene ring, so remaining 3 fluorine means BF3, N2 gas release, so we are having fluorobenzene and N2 plus BF3. So this is the fluorobenzene. Preparation of fluorobenzene or displacement of fluoride of nitrogen. So we have done very most important reaction, nomenclature of benzene diazonium salt, resonance structure of benzene diazonium ion, and we have discussed the stability of benzene diazonium ion by its resonance structure. We have prepared different chlorobenzene, fluorobenzene, cyanobenzene by displacement of dinitrogen gas, and we are having now one lecture remain to complete this chapter. So kindly repeat this video 2 times, 3 times, and I request all of you, please do homework and send me homework by WhatsApp as soon as possible. Thank you very much.